Right, Freelander 2, the rear tailgate has this, on the facelift model, has this deluxe chromium strip. Now, chrome is not everybody's cup of tea. We haven't got a lot of chrome on this car, so we are going to replace it with one of our new products, which is a black strip. So here you see the black strip. So this is just the strip that goes all the way along. Now, Tyler's practiced this and said it comes out not too bad. So I don't know if we can sort of focus there. Can you put your hand behind one of those clips, Tyler? Like that, there we go. And you can see there, they've got these little sort of slopey, arrowy head clips on there. And there's a series of them. Now, that's what locates it into the rear. Now, right, so let's have a go at how we get it out. So that's the product we are going to supply. And we're probably going to supply it with some silicone there. Because you'll see that the original one, when Tyler takes it out, has some self-adhesive pads on there.
Which is the trickiest bit.
That was the trickiest bit, but Tyler's, I wanted to video it, but he's ripped it off already. So go on then,
It's probably make it look too easy now.
You get in there, right?
The first ones I had to undo was, let's see, this one. I figured was this one.
Which is a sort, it must have something gripping it on the thing into that goes into that.
So by pushing that down from this way, I can release that, and then coming from under, I can release this bottom
Now,
one.
the only danger from going from the top is you'll have to use a plastic tool, is the risk of damaging your paintwork. Coming from underneath, if you do damage the paintwork, you're not going to see it. Excuse me. So much. Right then. So have a go then, Tyler. So you worked it along then, did you?
Yeah, I just kept working it underneath. There was a point where I was close to bowing this, to almost the point of breaking, because there is an adhesive pad right here.
Okay, right, go on then. So work it off. I'll come around this other side of it. It's coming straight off now, is it? Yeah. But essentially, it came off okay. There's some clip. And to a degree, if you break it, it doesn't really matter because you're going to replace it. So you can see so it's hard to work out. These are sort of seem to be the grip areas here. Well, let me just see if I can line that up. Oh, it's right in this corner here. So I'm not sure what that one, or have we broken that off or not? Let's have a look. What does it look like the other end, where that grips into? Or is that just for alignment?
There's a little, let's see.
There is a little tongue up in there. Right, so there you go. So clean it, but there's adhesive pads. One right in the middle. Is that an adhesive pad? Yeah. And there now. You could battle those off and put new adhesive pads, but we decided it's going to be easier and better to use some silicone adhesive. So let's put some silicone adhesive blobs on there, Tyler, which will stop it rattling and obviously give it some extra gluage.
I reckon I'll just put it where the pads were.
Yeah, or maybe either side of the pads, a bit on the pad, yeah, because they're going to be the high spots. They should be in intimate contact, shouldn't they? I'd have another little bit here, Tyler. Just let's fill the gaps then. And hopefully these other ones are going to clip straight in. Well, yeah, a bit more along here. You've only gone halfway. Only done half a job, Tyler.
Just want to shove it on.
That means I can only give you half a pay.
What, for that minute?
Yeah. Oh, now he wants double pay because he's put twice the amount on.
I made it back.
Right, so let's have a go with the black strip. Let's see how it looks as well.
It's the first fit.
Yeah, we haven't even trial fitted this, so here we go. So where do you reckon? Start in the middle, start at an end? Has it got location pins? Because normally on these things they have, I think that the hooks are going to act as, I think we're overthinking it, Tyler. I think you just ram it on.
I see what I need to do there. Some of the clips have snapped off.
Ah.
So I need to get those out, otherwise I'm...
Good work, Tyler. Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah, so let's make sure, so where we've lost the clip, so we lost that one. Yeah, so we've lost that one there, and so we have the remnants of a clip. Quite rightly. What are you going to go? Long nose pliers? I reckon some long nose pliers will grab that. He's proper tight, isn't he? You got what is he? Ah, maybe lever it down because there's like a spring clip. So lever the spring clip and pull. Hold on. I get on that. Is it from the top or the bottom? I'm gonna go. There you go. So yeah, I just twisted the screwdriver there. But yeah, make sure that one's clear. That one's clear. And you think we got something going on in there, do we, Tyler? Yeah. But whether we'll get that one. Oh yeah. Oh, he's coming. I'm trying a video and. Do you reckon you can grab him? Oh, is it on? Yeah. You got the little angle there. Hold on, let me lower it. Oh, yeah, there you go. Right then. It's like that game Operation, wasn't it? Where you had to pull those little bits out of the. There you go. What fun these car accessory fitting is. Right, good spot, Tyler. Well done. I won't dock your pay.
Not again.
Not again, no. Oh, it's going to look good. That's all clicked in. It seems like it wants a bit of a thump. That's it. That is looking clean. There we go. Chrome. So what colours have we got of these? I think we've only got chrome and black strips. So if your chrome's degraded, we'll get the chrome ones on the website. But if you want the black, I mean, you could almost go, but on a black car, that would be a really nice upgrade, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I'm not, the silver, maybe we'll have to get one done in some body colours. We'll have a look at that. Let us know what you think. Do you want body colour? We'll get them in body colour. Right, good luck with that. Freelander 2 tailgate dechroming, done. Right, bonus feature. Tyler's, we've got rid of all the chrome on the car apart from these side vents. So I've done the video for these already, but Tyler just wants to rip my car apart. So we are going to go for the black side vents, and also the side repeaters going a bit yellow. So we have got the side repeater smoky dokey thing going on, and that's the dynamic swooshy ones, isn't it? So go on then, Tyler. So I think, so we've had a look. So there's the clips at the top. There's fixed sort of pegs at the top. At the bottom, it's just clips, but basically you just got to pull it from the bottom as best you can, Tyler. And just pull it up, and you might have to get a trim tool in. Go on, see if you can do it without getting a trim tool. No, you're going to break your fingers. Here he goes. See if you can get under that bottom edge. You don't have to pull it a bit to help you. I think they just pulled out. Here, let me have a go. I did every time I do this. I can just go. No. Nope, that's not having it. Oh, here we go. You know, I've got around the edge. Right, let's have a look. So we've got a wire here we can disconnect. Yeah, look, we got those out quite easily there. So the trick seemed to be, I think you've got a bit of bow here, so you can get in on that angle there. Right, there we go. Right, hold on then. So, we'll clean that. Let's clean that first. Right, so we've got that all lush and clean now. Right, so slip that. Now it only goes in one way, Tyler, so careful. You've got a big end and let me just show everyone. So if I hold it against the silver there, right, hold it there, Tyler. So on this end you've got the smaller distance here, and on there you've got a bigger distance. So which is smaller, the clip or the spring? So the clip end is the smaller, at the thinner cut out, the wider cut out is the spring. So you are correct, and that should just clip in. You could put the spring in first, actually. Put the spring in first and then slide it against the spring and get that rear hook under. Yeah, that's the way. Right, and then that connector should plug in. I think as long as it clips, it's the clip. Do you want to, actually, should we put the hazards on, seeing as I can reach in? So yeah, always worth doing before you clip it in, because otherwise you're going to have to pull it out. Actually, you could get just take the side repeater out, couldn't you? Oh, it's all in. There we go. So we've got the black strip in and the black vent in.